competitive prices, making cutting-edge technology accessible to everyone. They deliver high-end. Dive into the details and see what makes this phone special. From its cutting-edge processor to its stunning display, the Xiaomi 12 is built to impress. First impressions matter. The Xiaomi 12 makes a good one. It's sleek and compact. The phone feels good in hand. The display is a 6.18-inch AMOLED panel. It's bright and vibrant with great color accuracy. Watching videos and playing games is a joy. The display has a 120 Hz refresh rate. This makes scrolling and animations incredibly smooth. Everything feels fast and responsive. The Xiaomi 12
para mi gente, con una pasión tan fuerte. Ay, 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 ahora sí no tan.
And smooth graphics. Battery life is important for any smartphone user. The Xiaomi 12 has a 4500 mAh battery, providing ample power to get you through the day. It easily lasts a full day of moderate use, so you won't have to worry about running out of battery during your busy schedule. Plus, it supports 67-watt fast charging, meaning you can quickly top up your battery and get back to your day without long waits. Section 4, capturing moments in every detail. The Xiaomi 12 has a triple rear camera system. It takes impressive photos and videos. The main camera is a 50-megapixel Sony IMX766 sensor. Photos are detailed and sharp. Even in low light, the camera performs well. The colors are accurate and vibrant. The phone can record videos in 8K resolution. This is impressive for a phone of its size. The video quality is excellent, with good stabilization. The Xiaomi 12 handles it all with ease. It's a compelling choice for any Android user. With its combination of advanced features, robust performance, and elegant design, the Xiaomi 12 is a smartphone that truly delivers on its promises.